Indian botanists and their contribution to embryology. Embryology is a branch of botany which deals with the study of all events starting from microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis, pollination, fertilization till the development of a mature embryo. An embryo is a multicellular structure developed from the zygote by fusion of male and female gamete which undergo rapid mitotic division. Later, it gives rise to new individuals. An embryologist is a scientist who studies embryology. An eminent botanist of 20th century, Professor Panchanath Maheshwari. There are many great people in the world, but few become legends in their own lifetime. Maheshwari was one such person. Maheshwari was a legendary scientist who did India proud by placing it on the world botanical map. Maheshwari was born in Jaipur on 9th November in 1904. Maheshwari was educated at Ewing Christian College, Allahabad, intending to pursue a career in medicine. And he came under the mentorship of Winfield Dudgeon and changed his studies from medicine to science. He received Bachelor of Science in 1925, Master of Science in 1931, and Doctorate of Science in 1931 degrees, all under Dudgeon's influence. Career. Maheshwari was an educator and publisher. He taught botany at the University of Delhi, establishing that department as a globally important center of research in embryology and tissue culture. Maheshwari founded the scientific journal Phytomorphology, for which he served as chief editor until his death in 1966, and the more popular magazine Botanica. He also published texts to improve the standard of teaching life sciences in the schools. In 1951, he founded International Society of Plant Morphologists. Contributions. Maheshwari, who served as professor and head of the Department of Botany, University of Delhi from 1950 to 1960, built a flourishing school of embryology which became internationally recognized. He was one of the leading plant biologists who established the technique of test tube fertilization of angiosperms. Another landmark discovery by him was production of haploids using anther-culture. This discovery initiated a new era in the plant biology and formed the path for developing many improved crop varieties. His doctorate work was mainly on anatomy and embryology. He discovered anomalous secondary growth in Boerhaavia and Romex and traced their origin to protozoal tissues. His interest in floristics and taxonomy is seen in major accomplishments and illustrated Flora of Delhi compiled under his supervision, considered an excellent field guide for everyone. Maheshwari's book, An Introduction to Embryology of Angiosperms, published in 1950, is considered as a classic and one of the most quoted biological texts, and it has been translated into several languages including Russian. His another remarkable work is Recent Advances in Embryology of Angiosperm. Other notable books which was later published were Contribution to the Morphology of Albizia Lebec, reprinted from the Journal of Indian Botanical Society by P. Maheshwari in 1931. Botanical Pamphlets, Volume 64, The Phylogeny of Monocotyledons, 2001. To foster writing skills among undergraduates, he started the Botanica, published by Delhi University Botanical Society. This magazine was an instant success as it carried lively and informative articles. He wrote articles on variety of botanical topics for Botanica under the pseudonym IDLER. The immense popularity of Maheshwari is reflected by the fact his students has given his name to some of the new species of plants discovered by them. For example, Panchnania jaipurensis and Hypomycetes fungus, then Isoetes panchanani, a new species of quillworth, and Oldenlandia maheshwari, a new rubiaceous taxon are some of the examples. Another great botanist, B.G.L. Swami, also has named a species of plant discovered by him as Ascarina maheshwari. Maheshwarilla bicommota, a Paleozoic seed from the lower Gondwanas of Karabari coal fields, India. He has received many national and international recognitions. In 1934, he became a Fellow of Indian Academy of Science, Bangalore. The Indian Botanical Society honored him with Birbal Sahni Medal in 1958. In 1965, he was selected as a member of Royal Society of London. The end came on 18th May 1966, and with that, the botanical community suddenly lost one of the most extraordinary figures of recent times. Men of his stature are rarely born but leave behind them footprints on the sands of time. Coming to another great Indian botanist of international fame and famous Kannada writer, B.G.L. Swami. Bengaluru Gundappa Lakshminarayana Swami, popularly known as B.G.L. Swami, the great Indian botanist of international fame and famous Kannada writer, was born on 5th February 1916 to Dr. D.V. Gundappa and Srimati Bhagirathi. He was a son of D.V. Gundappa, one of the most respected Indian writers and philosopher. His father, D.V.G. of Mankutimmanakaga fame, a highly revered Kannada literature. Swami studied in Central College, Bangalore, and obtained his bachelor's degree in botany. After obtaining an honor degree in botany in 1939, he worked in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, as a research fellow. During this period, he came under the influence of Maheshwari, which helped him in establishing intellectual contact with several universities outside the country. He obtained his PhD from University of Mysore in 1947 and had a brief postdoctoral period at Harvard University under Dr. Irving Bailey. From 1953, he served as Professor of Botany at Presidency College, Chennai. Dr. Swami has many coveted awards to his credits, including Birbal Sahni Award. After his retirement, he served as professor at Mysore University. Throughout his career, he has actively engaged in research works in the field of embryology of angiosperms. From 1953, he served as professor of botany at Presidency College. Some of the contributions are: his major field work in botany include embryology of angiosperms and anatomy of angiosperms. His contributions to the field of botany includes discovery of vesselless angiosperms, studies on monocot embryogeny, helobial endosperm, root stem transition, comparison of embryo and embryoids, establishing the concept of quiescent center in all meristematic zones, new classification of embryo sac, wood anatomy, relationship between vascular cambium and procambium. He has extensively worked on embryology of gymnosperms and orchids. He guided 13 PhD students handpicked by him. He has more than 300 research papers published in international journals like Phytomorphology. He received Birbal Sahni Award for his contribution to botany in 1975. B.G.L. Swami, as a botanist, is recognized internationally through his research findings in embryology and plant anatomy. However, his motherland, he is more popular as a writer in Kannada. Many of his books are reprinted now. B.G.L. Swami breathed his last on 2nd November 1980. Thank you.